information on it.
Yeah, we'll go look tomorrow. When there's a walk to do, like to the top of that Red Bluff, or at least to the bottom of it, it's always good to do. Stretch your legs before you start driving in the morning. You get a totally different perspective on foot to when you're in the car. And we're moving campsite. So Jason's found a good spot down the bottom and we're going to head down there.
Will you play it back to me?
I finally worked it out the other day, Luca.
Sorry, hang on, hold your thought, don't forget what you're saying. I'll send you everything I've got, but it's not a lot as much as because I was trailing you and I took some trailing him or whatever it was. I'll just send you guys whatever I've got, right?
No, that'd be awesome.
Yeah.
We made it to camp. We've done some sand dune driving. It's been a longer day than we thought. Today was meant to be the short day. I'm cooking dinner tonight and we're making fancy snags in bread, getting started. So yeah, amazing campsite. Red Bluff's in the background there and the weather's been perfect. Got really hot today and yeah, good bunch of fellas to travel with and we're having lots of fun, I think.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Cheers.
We'll see. This morning I put them down to 19.
So this one, 19 plus 4.
And then,
So you're about 24.
yeah, not really.
So I chopped up. Yeah, so I chopped up.
Yeah.
How did the 90 feel compared to the 150 you had? Like, do you still get in it and go, this is a Prado? Or?
Well, I've got a 120, my wife's got a 120 at home. So I've driven the 120 a lot and a 150 a lot. That was my first time in a 90. And yours, I think it's because of the new suspension. Yours was really smooth to drive for me. Whereas I found the Patrol very floaty.
Yeah.
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 So like you hit some of those sort of roller coaster tracks.
Kept going.
Like in the Troopy, you were bouncing, but once you bounced once, that was it. It was all over. There's no more bounce. Whereas once you sort of got a bit of a run going in the Patrol, it'd get going and then it'd start getting worse.
I
and you're
agree.
like, holy shit.
Yep.
Yeah, which I know gave me a better appreciation for my own car once I got back into it. Yep. I don't mean that.
No, I get you. I
Badly,
get where I
yeah.
probably should be looking at my shots.
You got to have a lot of patience when you're with people that film.
Yeah.
Especially when you're not the one filming.
Yeah, no,
It's
absolutely.
not for your benefit, it's purely for them.
We get that.
We're camped up at Howard Hut. Literally, this pair of DeWalt boots just sitting in the grass.
Yep.
Bob, time for number 3. What?
We're at Pineapple Flats and we've got reined in. We're supposed to be just there for the weekend and we stayed there for 4 or 5 days because the river levels had risen. I couldn't tow the Jaco out over the river, the King River.
Yep.
I want to build a hut similar to, you know, a Bluff hut or Lovex hut.
Yep.
Sensational.
Doesn't it?
Grab one and leave.
I might steal some of that paper towel.
Really is sensational. This, I'm trying to pick out the ingredients. This is sensational. It's full of flavour, mate.
It's a good cook.
Amazing.
Far out.
Good hearty. Bit of everything.
After a big day on the tracks, mate, that shit hits the spot. It'll be some special sauce.
So, all it is, the onion has got brown sugar, salt, and balsamic vinegar in the caramelising the onions a bit. And then the mushroom is just mushroom I picked at a tree near home, cut up. Rosemary, no, I didn't just feed you mushrooms, I found on the ground.
Are they magic muffies?
I've never tasted
gonna
that
be a
mushroom
really
boiling
weird
recently.
Touchy subject, I think, that one. Yeah, it's rosemary, pepper, butter, mushrooms, and then the sausage is a pork and beef combination sausage, and then there's grated parmesan, a little bit, and spinach, and then aioli, garlic aioli, and
Oh, that's probably what it is, the aioli.
yeah, the creamy kind of texture.
Oh, God, that is so good.
There you go. That says it all.
But I'm surprised too. I know today was Sunday, but
There's nobody around.
there wasn't much traffic on the track, and I mean it shuts end of this month.
Oh, the track does by.
They shut it over summer.
Fire?
So yeah, fire and just how soft the sand gets.
Okay, right. I did not know that. Okay, right.
Yeah, so
There we go.
it's seasonal, but the opposite of the high country.
Yes.
So it opens in winter and shuts in summer.
Yeah. 4 or 5 times? No, never mind. I don't want to do it again. So that's
So,
between
where do we
now
go
Sunday. I'm running. Don't take it.
After it's. Thank you, Dan.
All right.
If we're quick, we can eat Paul's before he gets back.